You know what they say in Tokyo? When it rains, it snores.
Chris Bores.
What do you guys think of Yogurt Hammer?
Love it.
Why are these steps so wide?
I don't like this.
So how do you feel at the Berserk store?
I'm in heaven. I bogstavelig himmelriket.
Is that Sword Cirque?
Yes.
I'm dead now.
Imagine paying for something with your Chainsaw Man credit card.
So I'm about to buy all these fucking games for 110 yen each, and I am in awe. I don't understand this. So you know the reason I came to Japan? It wasn't the Pokemon store. It was the Minecraft store. You know, Japan really is next level. They got bagels plain. I found the Sega building where Sonic apparently lives. But the most interesting thing is this mural with these anime people.
I did get to see Sonic.
Gives awards some Domino's Pizza Japan from Hatsune Miku herself.
Hello everyone, I'm Scott, president of Domino's Pizza. Have you heard of Hatsune Miku?
Oh my god, Hatsune Miku is on my pizza.
Once your pizza's delivered, have some fun with Miku.
Did I do that, kid? Oh, for crying out loud. I don't remember this cereal.
So you're telling me that someone jacked in these donuts? I hope they didn't do that. This is actually really good, but I can kind of see where it was jacked in it. It's the white stuff. So what did you think of the maids?
I was scared.
Did you get a little horny?
Maybe.
What did you think of the maids?
They were very cute.
Did you get a little horny?
Nope.
So what did you think of the mates?
I got really horny.
Okay.
Like all those trees?
Yeah.
You know what they're called?
No?
Trees. It was here in the wilds of Ueno that I encountered a Japanese KFC. I had to go inside, determined to eat KFC in every country I visit. My meal consisted of pieces, a strip, and fries, as well as nuggets, which I've never had from KFC before. They were, dare I say it, even better than McDonald's. This meal was perfect, and the strips were second to none. Although the seating was kinda weird. It was clearly made with people eating alone in mind. That said, KFC Japan can't get any less than 5 buckets out of 5. Alright, it's our last day in Japan, and that means we're going to Hooters. Steamed shrimps? Like steamed hams? Part of a healthy diet. And the first thing that comes up are fucking vodkas. So this is some kind of owl themed restaurant. It's like 12 and Colbin is getting fucking wasted.
This is my breakfast.
You know, a couple of years ago this would have had no effect on me, but right now I'm actually like legitimately tipsy from this one Long Island iced tea.